Welcome to the original Scrapbox company discount video. Keep watching for the coupon codes. Since I was sent a DreamBox, my life has It ended up that my furniture was not fit for purpose. I couldn't find anything, so I never made anything. However, my DreamBox is organized in a way that makes sense. Buy at clairedb.com/osdreambox and use coupon codes HHMUK100 if you are in the USA or HHMUK if you live in the UK. The minimum price includes the unit plus 40 totes. You must use your coupon code to ensure it stays under $2,100. With a pre-built service, the unit arrives in 3 pieces. Do you have a budget of $3,000? Excellent. You can get a DreamBox unit, a crown light, 80 totes, plus the pre-built service. Remember to use the link clairedb.com/osdreambox and coupon codes which are on screen right now. You could always swap the pre-built service for the side tables and triple your table space. If you can extend to $3,600, you could get your DreamBox unit in farmhouse gray or a dark walnut shade. This price would also include the drawers, extra totes, side tables and power pack. Got a budget of $4,100? And the pre-built service which will save you 2 days of building. I'm crafting more than I have in years, and I think you'll love it. Use coupon code HHMUK100 or HHMUK.